Once you've created a gem, you can share it with others to use. We'll click the share button next to the name of the gem and then type in the email address of the recipient. There are two ways that you can share this. I can share a gem and they could be a viewer. This means that they can use the shared gem and view the gem instructions and any uploaded files. Or they could be a gem editor. This means they could also share the gem with others, make changes to the gem instructions and uploaded files, and also delete the gem. So there's a big difference between viewer and editor. Viewer is a safe way for you to share a functional gem with somebody without allowing them to change a lot of the instructions or even potentially delete the gem. You can also add an expiration date to that sharing. One thing to note is if you have uploaded files for the gem to reference, you will also need to make sure that those files are shared with this user. Once you've decided what level you'd like to give them, you can type a message and you can also select to notify them and then click send, and they will have access to the gem.